As seen previously, a const declaration alone doesn't really protect your data from mutation. If you have an object or an array, you can still mutate it even if it's declared with const. There is something called object.freeze that will prevent data mutation. So let me talk to you about object.freeze. First of all, let's understand this function here. We're using this function to demonstrate object.freeze. So it's going to create this constant, math constant, with a pi in it. This is an object. And right now, this can still be changed. So if we look down here, this is a try-catch block. We'll talk about try-catch blocks in more detail later. But for now, you just have to know that it's going to try what's in the first part of the block. And if there's an error, then it's going to go into the catch part and it's going to log it out. So right now we're going to try to change math constants.pi to 99. And then if you can see right here, we're going to return the math.constants.pi. And down here, we are putting into a variable called pi. So if we run this, you'll see that we console.log pi and it's 99. But wait a second, we don't want pi to change because we know that pi never changes. That's why we're going to use object.freeze. So I'll put it right here. I'm going to do object.freeze, and then in parentheses, I'll put the object, which is math constants. Now I've frozen math constants. So when it tries to change math constants.pi here, it's not going to work. And it's going to go into this catch block and it's going to log out the error or the exception. So let me run that and you'll see type error cannot assign to read-only property of pi of object. So we had an error. And we can see here that pi stays the same at 3.14. So whenever you have an object and you don't want any of the items in the object to change, use object.freeze.